What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to make a video on FENY. That's the Fidelity's Energy Index ETF. Now, to me, I think this is a potential buying opportunity. I just want you to take a look at this. Looking at the 2-year chart, you have the red line right here. And what this is a 200 SMA, which is a simple moving average. And we are testing it right now, which I'm going to zoom in for us to see. If you can see right here, we pulled all the way back to 25.15, and usually the 200 SMA is a well-respected area. As you can see, let me just highlight an area for you just to see. Now, this is an ETF, so it doesn't mean you have to day trade it, but this could be a potential buying opportunity to jump in and say, hey, I'm going to start buying some shares. So as you can see right here in 2024, around June and July, it respected the 200 EMA and popped. And it made a move. If we just zoom in just on that area right there, it zoomed in all the way from $24 all the way up to $25. So that was a point move right there. Then we had some retest, break, retest right here, broke, and then retest. Taking a look at here, we pulled all the way back from $27 all the way down to 25.15. I started taking a position in them. And I just want to bring this to your attention. I just want to show you on the 2-day chart, look at this massive pullback all the way from 25.8 all the way down to $25. And if you go to the 5-day, it gets even worse, all the way down from 26.4 down to 25. Yes, this could be what they call a fallen knife. But when you look at the last 10 days, we went all the way down from $27 to $25. I'm buying this opportunity. I think that you have potential consolidation right here at the $25 mark. And I also believe on the 1-year chart, you can see that we have support of this 200 SMA. And that's why I am buying. What is the largest hold in XOM? We're going to go over the holdings real quick. But XOM is 20%, 22% of this ETF. If you look at XOM, just on the long-term chart, you can see right here, you are having an area that I would believe buyers would start to come in. Check out this area right here. I'm just going to highlight them real quick. Right there, buyers coming in. And I like to draw it out on a larger time frame to really get an idea. Is this line respected? And this is the third touch. So this is the first one. This is the second one. And now you have the third touch coming in, which is right here around 113. The lowest I feel XOM, ExxonMobil, is going to be going down is around 110. That is my prediction. It doesn't mean I'm right, but it has not had a bounce yet. For all the way from 123, going the last month, all the way from 123 down to 113. I'm buying FENY, which is spread out. I'm not just buying ExxonMobil to be completely in one stock. I'm buying FENY, and I'm going to show you the composition of this ETF in a little bit. But XOM makes up 22% of it, so that's a very large portion and can be easily manipulated. So I wanted to make sure that I was buying when this has potential structural support, which is right here, this touch, and this touch. Let me just show you FENY one more time on this. And just for those of you that are new, I'm using the Fidelity Active Trader Pro, which is the trading platform I use to day trade. But I'm following this 200 EMA right here where it has shown signs of support. And if it does break through, maybe 24.6, but we'll see where ExxonMobil goes. But let's just take a quick look at the composition. So on the Fidelity website, you have ticker symbol FENY, which is Fidelity's MSCI Energy Index ETF. This is passively managed. It's a sector equity. It is basically only in energy. 80% of the assets follow the underlying MSCI USA IMI Energy Index. So it's just representing the performance of the energy sector. And this is why I bought this, because I wanted broad exposure, but I want to buy an ETF that has the top dog in it, which is ExxonMobil, which represents 21.46% of this ETF. FENY only has 108 companies within it, and the top 10 that you see here make up 63% of it. So yes, I was looking at the support levels following the 200 SMA for ExxonMobil, and also look at Chevron is 13%. So because ExxonMobil is approaching, it's just broke that 200 SMA. I decided to take a position in them. And if you look at Chevron as well, look at their chart. They're at 155 right now. And this is on the Fidelity website. And for those of you new, I can show you real quick. Just on the chart, if you click over here on indicators, you can type in SMA, type in the moving average, switch this over to 200, and you see the color is red. We're going to apply it. And look where it is. It is approaching the 200 SMA. So that is just something that I wanted to bring to your attention because this could potentially be a buying opportunity. Because if you look in the past, every time that it's sold off, even at 155 here, you can see, sorry about that, you can see it went from 155 down to about 152 and then popped right above it. So I am trying to trade this trend channel. Even just looking at Chevron, you can see you have a little channel forming right here. If it can hold, it has the 200 SMA behind it at 154. You have the same thing with ExxonMobil and FENY all lining up. And for me, that is good enough to take a position. All right, guys, thanks for tuning into the video. If you like that, definitely check out my playlist. I have multiple videos based on Gemini cryptocurrency that I started, Fidelity Index Funds and ETFs, Vanguard Investments, my trading P&L 2024, which I hit a new record this year, and day trading on Fidelity. So definitely check it out. Investing ideas, I post a new video on Lucid, so definitely be sure to check those out. Just go to my videos, and there's plenty to see right here. Appreciate you guys.